Hi, I'm Mr. Sanford, and this is Mr. Harrison, and we're here to talk to you about senior high math. In grade 9, your math teacher will give you one of 4 options to take going into grade 10. And it is very important to us that you take the proper math course for you. The 4 grade 10 math courses are Math 10 Academic, which is a semester or a year long, Math 10 Plus Academic, which is a bit misleading, the plus word. It actually means more time. It doesn't mean advanced. It's the same curriculum. You do everything the same. It just takes you a little longer. To complete tasks. Then there's Math Foundations 10, and then there's Math Essentials 10. And whatever you take in grade 10 will probably dictate where you go from there. If you take 10 foundations, there's a really good chance you're going to take 11 foundations and 12 foundations. And 10 essential students generally go on to 11 essentials. So it's very important to us that you're placed in the proper spot. The Math 10 Academic is the highest level math course. The curriculum is very intense. You go at a very quick pace, and if you found grade 9 math to be very difficult or too fast for you, then this is probably not the course for you. And you need to have attained at least a 75% in grade 9 math. Grade 10 plus, we're looking for a 65% or better. You got the math, but sometimes it took your teacher the second or third time to explain it, and maybe it takes you a little longer to do practice problems than maybe the student is going to go on to the 10 academic. You have the ability, it just takes you a while to for those math skills to kick in. The 10 foundations, we're looking for any student who passed grade 9 math, who can do the math, but does find math difficult. They need that extra support, maybe a little bit more one-on-one once in a while. It is the same curriculum, we just don't go into the depth that the grade 10 academic and the 10 plus do. But it is a course that you can use to go on to a community college and take trades or that. It does not eliminate you from that stream. And then finally there's 10 essentials. And the essentials are for students who really find math difficult, find the curriculum difficult, and they're just looking for the bare skills, the basic skills that you need for mathematics. And we focus a lot of our time on budgeting, real-life math, renting, leasing, mortgages, percentages, and it's math that just basically gear you for the workplace once you have finished Northeast Kings. So hopefully that gives you a little bit of an idea of what's ahead for you, and then I'll pass it over to Mr. Harrison, who will talk about the 11s and 12s.
For students who found themselves very successful in Math 10 Academic, the options for them going forward would be 11 Academic, 11 Advanced, and then if you went to the 11 Advanced, you could go 12 Advanced, Pre-Cal and Cal, or variations of 11 Academic, 12 Academic, or 11 Advanced, 12 Advanced, Pre-Cal. It's entirely up to what your post-secondary requirements are, as well as the goals of the students themselves. For starters, if you are sitting in your grade 10 academic course with a 75 as your final mark, I definitely would recommend maybe you give 11 academic a try. If you find yourself with a 80, 85 or higher, then quite possibly then 11 advanced would be the best choice for you. One thing I'd like to clear up is grade 11 you get a teacher-based final exam. Grade 12 you do a provincial-based final exam. As far as your post-secondary options go, however, it is very important to be aware of the program and the course at the school in which you're hoping to pursue that degree at. Not all students require academic or advanced 12 math to go to university. So if you're doing a fine arts program, it might only be necessary to go into grade 11 academic math and be finished there. Where other students who wish to do engineering, mathematics, or science-based might very well be required to do Advanced 11, Advanced 12, Pre-Cal, and Cal. So it's very important you speak to your guidance teacher as well as your math teacher to determine what is the best fit for you.